Title of the story: SuRajMukhi and the Magical Sky Island. Once upon a time, there was a curious little girl named SuRajMukhi. One evening, as she watched the sunset, a shimmering golden light appeared in the sky. Suddenly, a ladder made of sunlight stretched down from the clouds. Without hesitation, SuRajMukhi climbed the glowing ladder and reached a magical island floating in the sky. The island was full of wonderstrees with rainbow-colored fruits, animals that could talk, and rivers of sparkling water. SuRajMukhi made friends with the animals, and they showed her the island's biggest secret, a tree that granted wishes. But the animals warned her, "Only make wishes that help others." SuRajMukhi thought for a moment and wished for food to grow on every barren land. The tree glowed brightly, and her wish was granted. All across the earth, plants began to grow, feeding hungry people everywhere. The island thanked SuRajMukhi for her kindness and gently sent her back home on a cloud. She returned, wiser, knowing that the best wishes are those that help others. Moral: true magic lies in using our gifts to help those in need. The end.